by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what Mankind, and the other names. The daily there a and this be what matter come. What be the matter where you come? You know, say when it comes schooling activities, then it be teachers where them day inside where they represent them parents, you know, for school. Where they teach them what they for know, where you go better than my what, than my life inside. Where the students where them day the school inside, you know, especially the shorties, you know, some be bad Shorty come school fresh, where they give them shadow say make she wear. The shadow they check like it be beyond their knee now. Where the school so give them pepper and things, you know. Shorty go talk say no like that thing. You go tailor in there. Make the tailor no do what? But who give what? The shorty, you know. Say the thing, you know, say you go come like you go be short. Let me put them this way. It will be very, very short on the what and the girl. So that if you the wear I go tight down. You say man to we they move by side then. So the male teachers, you know where you do them day school you do what? Then they have difficult. Wow. The other way it can be say some should be where it be what SS student where they bell up at joa. Where teacher where the teacher no, you tell that the teacher no they date then date some for the school inside low key. Tell like 2 years where them dates. Where you tell her the dating where them dates no, kidi come out for the what? The dating inside camp. Where the other way it can be say the shot you know preg. In prego. Where chat for the chat where you leak, you know where you come out to be say the teacher don't talk the kiddy ni say make you go abort the kiddy you know where it day in woman inside no. You go feel see the what the chat no for the screen top. Make a real small of the what the chat no. Then you will see what he went on. The show didn't start the chat and he say hello sir. Where the teacher not talk say hi. How are you? Where the show didn't talk say fine. Please sir there's a problem. Where the teacher not talk say which problem? Where the girl not talk say I am pregnant sir. Where the teacher not talk say stop joking Ajua. Stop joking. It is a young man he might bear. He might do say he just the fear that thing kill. He might know the do am say if you the fear that thing about all miss kiddy go come up for inside. Because he might know they I don't know say he the figure say the kiddy no he be underage or something. Right now crowd 14 years, 15 years, 16 years kiddies where them come no. Right now you make study where you the bang them man, then go feel break. How much some bro where you dey SS where you grow small, where you pubic head and everything, they in body the work, where blood and things they flow for your system. What is the one figure? You chop her, the thing in enter, you go what? You will come out. Where the shot in the talk say, I did not see my blood last month. That's what the shot in the talk. Where the teacher in the talk say, go and abort the baby. I read the chart and I read this place, you know, where it bust my mind. It bust my mind though. If you dare relationship inside plus woman, this advice they go on, give my what? My major that's where them day street up, they everywhere. If you don't study the dates where they study any prega, you know be something where like if you make you accommodate to that thing. If you know what make the study any prega, if you wear something where the bell and condom, plenty religious books, the religious leader they talk say that thing you know good. Then things where you they follow that into it, they help you now individual way you day inside. It's how they shape your life. It's how they make you know what you go do, how you go do your things because they know what then they talk. But if you now you don't want to enjoy yourself, you don't want to pleasure yourself, if you wear what? Condom there where there's something and the sperm cell no go enter the shot in something inside make kiddy come. If you need I go fit here then throw them away. That be your own what something. But you know they do that thing. When you now you do your man say you go fear that thing raw plastina. It be kiddy where you go come out for what? Inside camp. You know be plasma where they sell them for circle or la pass. Where you go come out for their camp. It be kiddy. Because that thing, you know, God do say make kiddy come out for inside camp. So if you see say that thing go worry you are, master go bed somewhere, make you know what do. So the next man talk something where the shot didn't talk say no. The shot didn't say no go do that thing. I want to have a child with you. You tell like the shot didn't feel the what the teacher no. If they then show this new way them come with tell like them no then just they do something tell like omudi diabro or something maybe they don't want bang them thing because of them age where they inside. But tell like this kid you they feel the teacher no wow. You thought the teacher not talk say maybe about that the shot didn't say you know go do. You know go do that thing. You they want kid plus am. Where make we hear what your man talk. Your man talk say if you don't abort the baby then I am not what responsible. Or I'm not the father of the child. You have to say, hey, Charlie, this life where we do inside, you know, be easy. You know, be easy, cry. There's some come. Where the show you need to say, I'll report you to the what? To the police. You tell like you bore the man who say they report the thing, you give the police, make the man shiver the thing, say, oh, okay, then give back the things. Mo could see the reply where the young man take give the what? The shot, you know. He take give him. Where you tell like he talk no, the man no reply the chat in what again. You tell like young man if your police come inside in there, he say school there, the shot you know the subject where he they teach. There you know everything, you know in everything, you know in how the thing. So he told the police, you know, your man know what, reply the what, the chat, you know what, again. That be the something where he come, where me, I do my mind say, I for come then come talk this matter what, show you. If you be teacher, the relationship between you and the child you know be say, if for what, if for teacher, if for discipline yourself, if you be teacher, you go fit do your something for outside the school. But this way them did the school there, you be yawa big time. Where you be student where you go school, where you be study. If you not say you go school, say you go learn. You know go school say you go train panel and do dance, village things and things. If your own future where you put them at what? At rest. I love you from the bottom of my heart. You go feel leave your what? Your comment for the comment box inside. It be very, very what? Necessary. Then you go to a social media platform too. You go feel like then share all on a what? One a video. Prayer always do what? Work. Bow, bow, bow.
Yo. Too much GH near. Ghana for. Ashe for. Etie for. Onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa on my Ghana so e na ye de bremu one God in here, the only one God in GH eho na de bia mehwe abrotefo ene Ghana for mo mo wiasa fa na me recommend emamo too much GH.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break and Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko son show mo. No anybody debia. Madam, I say love you.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH. And you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Human One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Too Much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Me dey Isaac Odwampo, obetumi afem the great ampo mbrembren. Wonu me nka mo ni ehwe Too Much GH. Too Much GH. Mo ye too much na me so me ye amo fire.